is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, gals, man, it was a great week. It was a great week. Yes, and it's the weekend. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, guys, you know, I haven't been doing a whole lot because I've been working a lot. So, but I got some goodies in today, yep, for the engine. Yep. So the 393, aka board 60 over 399, let's call it a 400. Yes, I got the water pump, I got an alternator bracket, and I got the throttle. Yeah, whatever you want to call it. We'll show you this stuff now, man. Let's get this thing turned around. I'm excited. Are you? Alrighty, we got the box with the goodies. Got some iced tea. Got the box. Got goodies inside the box. So here we go. Yep. That's a gasket. Yep. Directions. Directions. Yep. That's a frostbite, baby. Frostbite. Made by Holley. We'll find out how good that is, won't we? Lower radiator hose connector. Bolts and gaskets. Everything you need to get this thing and get it on the engine. Okay, so here's the water pump backing plate. Let's see if we can get that out of there. Okay, all right. So that's the backing plate. Pretty, huh? Pretty, huh? And then, oh, look at this, look at this. The water pump. Yeah, man. Let me get this out of the bag and I'll bring you right. I didn't even have to stop it because the bag just pulled right off. I didn't try it though. So here. So look at that. Frostbite, baby. Frostbite. So this is a 50 gallon per minute water pump. All right. So my main thought was, is this going to work on the timing cover that's on the motor? So let's get over here and take a peek. And to be honest with you, I believe that we should have no problem. So what do you think? Huh? I think we should have no problem. So it should fit on there nice. No problem. Fits up there snug. Okay, good, good. See how we got it. Boy, I tell you, there ain't much room between that, is there? That's all right. I think we'll be all right. And I got an alternator bracket that I bought that goes right here, so the alternator will sit down on the bottom. We'll pull that out of the box too. And I also have the bracket that I bought for the carburetor for the throttle cable. So let's get back over here and finish unboxing. Yeah, buddy. Here we go, man. We got the other box here, which got the radiator bracket in it. Let me take a little drink of tea here. Yeah, buddy. So this is the alternator bracket. It comes with all the bolts and everything that you need in here. So this is your kit. And let's get over here and take a look. So the alternator bracket, so what it'll do, it'll bolt up right here, just like so. And then the alternator broke up over here on the side. So there shouldn't be any issues with the alternator hitting a pulley or anything like that. So that should be nice. Should just be able to run a belt, and that's it. I should have to pull, no idler pulley or nothing like that. And yeah, this is really nice. I think they did a really nice job on making that, you know. And actually, it was pretty reasonable priced, much cheaper than the March pulley and bracket sets, because I already got pulleys and stuff like that, so I didn't need that. So I bought this. So yeah, it'll bolt right into this, and then it'll clear everything. And that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, buddy. So the alternator bolt there. So yeah, I think that'll work just fine. I don't think that will work just fine. So the guy that I got this off is called Dr. Speed. I will put a link in the description down below for him. And when I install this, I'll do the same again because I think this is going to be a nice piece. I seen it on VRM's video. He's building a Mustang for the drag strip, and he had this on his car. And I'll put a link to him down below too, so you can go check him out. He's only got about 400 or 500 subscribers, so get over there and check him out. So I will put the link down here for this, and I'll put the link down for VRM. He seems like a really nice guy. He gets on Paul DeFox's and Sally's channel and stuff like that. So get over there and check him out. He's got a really nice Fox body Mustang that he's building too for the track. So get over there and check them out for that, please. I appreciate you if you do. But anyhow, this is what I'm putting on there for the alternator. So I think that's going to work out good. Yeah, look at how he should have packed that. So that thing was packed well, that's for sure. And I really don't want to empty it out right now because I don't know exactly what's left in the box. There might be another part or something in there, so I can't really take that apart about. So let me bring you right. So here's the other box that I got that has the bracket for the throttle cable and stuff like that that bolts onto the alternator, to the carburetor. And let me get this out of the box and I'll bring you right back. Here we go, we're back. So anyhow, this is for the throttle cable. This is the springs and everything for it. And all the adjustments and everything. So that way we can hook our throttle cable to the carburetor and we can make adjustments of how far that our throttle will open up and so forth. Let's get over here and swap this over there. Yeah, that's the name of it right there. I actually bought this off of Amazon, but that's basically how it goes. Basically how it goes. Of course, it'll sit down further when I, put it under the bolts, under the nuts anyhow. Yeah, nut. So that's pretty much where that'd go. So yeah, we're gonna make it up, and you notice how I'm doing everything in black, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, that's it for the unboxing, and I got some other stuff that I'm going to be ordering and that, and that's it. So let me turn this around. Well, as you see, I'm gearing up. I'm gearing up to get this thing done and get it together so I can get it in the Fairmont. Like I said, I got some working stuff I got to do to the Fairmont. We'll get all that done, get that taken care of, and then we'll start getting this put together so we can get it put in. But I'm just trying to buy the parts so I have them, so when I start working on it, I ain't got to be looking for things, you know what I mean? So we still got to get a transmission. I haven't got a trans yet, and I still got to get headers, and that will be coming soon. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I figure I'd show you the boxing, what I got coming along, what I got go for the engine, and yeah, buddy. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Yeah, buddy.